morning. It's the next day. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Went to the dentist yesterday, last time we left off, right? Came back out to my car. I accidentally left my lights on and my battery died. So I didn't have anyone to help me start my car or jump my battery because it's the position it was in. So I had to go home yesterday and renew my AAA insurance. And this morning I'm walking to meet them to start my battery. This is how I know it's time to get a new vehicle. I literally paid this vehicle off like 10 years, right, ago. I've had nothing but trouble with this vehicle. Kept getting it fixed, kept getting it repaired because I was too cheap to buy another car. But now, inspection is coming up and it's going to fail. And stuff that's going on, yeah. It's time for me to get a new vehicle. Oh, so she's still here. She's still here. Uh-oh. Yeah, I got a tow sticker. See? They gave me a tow sticker. This has been hours later. Hours later, I'm back home. Take my glasses off. It's now like 2:30 in the afternoon. So the AAA man came and he charged my battery. Then I noticed the Fahrenheit thingy on my car lit up. The Fahrenheit symbol on my car lit up. Then as soon as I parked the car, my car started smoking. So I said, you know what? It's the end for that car. I'm getting rid of it. It's definitely the end. If that's not a sign for me to get another car, then I don't know what it is. I had that car for a good 12 years. Finished paying for it probably a few years ago, like 5 years ago. And it's been giving me lately nothing but trouble. I put money in repairs in it and I'm done. So I might just be getting another car because I'm not putting any money in a car again. You know, by the way, I gave birth. I had a baby. You want to see my baby? This is my brand new baby, Go-Go. My second cat. She's a girl. She's so sweet. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. So she's Violet's sister. So I have 2 cats now. Yeah. Maybe I can take this one in a stroller. Can I take you in a stroller, Go-Go? Give Elmo a kiss. Give Elmo a kiss. Oh. She's so sweet. She's such a sweet girl. She be biting the shit out of me though. At night, she be scratching and biting the shit out of me. But I have to redirect that energy. Once she starts biting me, I just pet her on her head and she calms down. Yeah, you just calm down. Oh, stop it. And then you want me to put you down? Go-Go. Get off my sheet and. Get off my sheet and Go-Go. Get off my sheet and Go-Go. Where's your pet mouse? There go your pet mousey. pet mousey. Yeah. The pet mousey. She loves her pet mouse. Move away from my sheet in. You play with your pet mouse. You don't want it? Oh, now you want to mess with me? It's much cooler out now. It's a little bit after 4, and I'm on my way walking to the gym. I'm trying to beat that after work crowd. It's probably a little bit too late, but I want to beat that after work crowd because you're really not going to find a machine. It's really hard to get a machine when everybody starts pouring in. I put some Versace on for the occasion. Just to smell good. I'm not even gonna sweat the car thing. I'm turning my plates in tomorrow. And I might just junk it. Most likely I'm going to do is junk the car. Or donate it. Or cash for cars or something. Gotta go. And I gotta get me a new one. One of the most important things in our lives is like getting a new vehicle. That's to me one of the most exciting things. You know, a good milestone is getting a new vehicle. It's like a celebration. It's an excitement, right? So I'm excited about that. I made it. God seen me through the years, and I'm here to get a new vehicle. Not brand new, but something more reliable. And I'm thankful for that I'm in a position to do it. I'm not going to say I'm going to be driving off in a Mercedes or Beamer or even one of those Teslas, but hey, it's something to commute to get me from point A to point B. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. I did enough workout, but I really didn't do the workout like I wanted to. The gym was flooded. not flooded with water, but it was just a lot of people there. There was no machines really left, and people were doing classes. I couldn't do my floor exercises. It was very busy there, shockingly, at that time. So I just left. I'll pick up tomorrow where I left off. So I'm about to eat me some good old oxtails with rice and peas, cabbage and plantains. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day. Any champagne cola? I'm not cooking. It's too hot. I'm not sleeping over no stove today. It is really hot. It's been like 87 degrees here in New York, and it looked like it's about to pour down rain. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but I don't know. I know I had to make it home in time before this weather is like so unpredictable. So I'm going to eat and stuff and watch some TV. It's Thursday. I think it's like the 17th of July. Lord knows what I've had in here for years. So that's why I got my replay. Look at all this stuff back here. Look at it. Years of just junk. I don't understand. Coats, car seats, a weight. This, I gotta get rid of all this. Look at this. Charcoal, like what the fuck? And then I did this. I did this. is this shit right here? What the hell is this? Look like it might have been an avocado. This is insane. Like, I'm a nasty bitch. Oh my god. The reason why I look like this is I spilled bleach on it when I first got the damn phone. Crazy.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. It's about time I'm waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you haven't, lights on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words.
Well, she's all cleaned out. Did I lock the door? Let's see, the inside. She's all cleaned out. I don't know what's going on with this thing. But anyway, I just left the DMV. It's like 9:30 in the morning. I had to turn in my plates. I took the bus here. I was in there for 5 minutes. Boom, boom, bam. I'm out. And then I'm on my way back home. But I have to take some other business that I have to take care of. I took the car off my registration. I pick up my new car Sunday. Like I said, I'm getting rid of this car and I'm donating it to charity. For a tax break. I get a tax break from donating it. So I think I'm going to take the bus back home. But there's some other stuff that I have to do today, that I have to take care of today. I don't want to say till I get there, because I'll be able to explain myself more. But I don't mind a good stroll. I passed the McDonald's, so I'm getting a bite to eat. This DMV is actually 10 minutes from my home, so. So that's your last meal till dinner time. I really only eat 1 meal a day. I'm a 1 meal a day eater. But I've been eating a lot lately.
I was out last night. I was buying a couple t-shirts for myself. Like, just getting some new summer wardrobe. And so I'm checking out, and the person gets my credit card.
They give me napkins. I haven't eaten without my napkins.
And like, as soon as they start bringing
I'm a sloppy eater.
my t-shirts were $65.
Oh, my chopped liver. I'm at the bus stop right now, waiting for my bus to go back home. And I know my Osmo hates me because I just be throwing her like in the bottom of my purse, have my water bottle perched on top of her. Treat her better, put it in the case. I gotta be at my appointment at 1 o'clock. I'm so tired. I ate and I'm tired. I gotta be at my appointment at 1 o'clock. I think I'm gonna put on a little Versace today. So I got the little sample bottles, and the samples take you a long way. So I got samples of Versace, Giorgio Armani, and what's it? Thierry Mugler. So I think I'm gonna wear a little Versace today to make me feel better. Smells good. Versace smells good. I actually thought I was gonna like the Thierry Mugler, but Versace, it's good on my body. It's really good on my body, man. It really smells good with my chemistry and my pH. I got 3 of these little babies, and like, you can smell this all day. You just put a little lines on and it's still full, and it smells good all day. But yeah, I'm so sleepy. Huh? Tisha doesn't bite me as much. Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama. Let me get the underbelly. Hey mama. Hey go go. Hey go go. Hey go go.